However, it's an art's design. We are using there. Make another structure. Keep on making the shapes. Let's try it again. Make some further designs. Explore another option. Choose the shapes here. So here we are. I will use the razor tool here. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.